Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So, yesterday I watched a few I watched a few Subway commercials cuz I've been trying to figure out what commercials to do next, and I was like, "Hmm, you know, let's take a trip down nostalgia lane and go for like some early 2000s Subway commercials because they were a thing of the past, I guess. I literally, one of the first Subway commercials I watched was with the late great Gilbert Gottfried, who I saw at Comic Con but didn't meet because like he was already busy talking to someone and I didn't want to interrupt that conversation back in my hometown of Poughkeepsie. Um, but I did see Gilbert got Gilbert Gottfried before he passed away back in 2019 at the same event at the same Comic Con as um the voice actor of Courage the Cowardly Dog, and me and that dude had a really great conversation. Um, and then and then a while later, me and another guy had got into like a deep conversation about mutants and zombies being mutants and shit like that. But that was that was a whole different thing. Um, Anywho, and then and then we got to Jared commercials or Subway commercials. Like, remember Jared? Well, he started the Subway diet. And you can start your Subway diet too. Jared loves a 5-inch Subway sandwich and a 14-year-old, which is which is terrible. That is a terrible, terrible joke. But um Jared, what are you doing at Subway? Oh, nothing. Just figured to have um a Subway sandwich and a side of a 13-year-old. That is a terrible. That is another terrible joke. But don't cancel me for my terrible jokes, okay? Just don't, okay? My jokes may be terrible, but they are funny. I think. Hopefully. But, um, oh, all jokes aside, all jokes aside, they are a thing. They are, the Subway commercials are a product of their time. Especially the ones with Jared Fogle. Knowing after what we know of and about Jared Fogle, they are a product of their time. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys so far for right now. Please like, share, subscribe. Have a good day. Thanks. Catch you guys on the flip side. I'm a footloose. On to the next video.